Hey, Admin Sonja, aka Sonja Rankin here, and I'm going over the fun events this weekend, so watch with me. So, first thing, I always go over to my Rankin's Fun list, and this month is themed for Valentine's Day. There's a new featured park over at the Mattie Kelly Nature Walk. As you continue down, here are some more timely events. I'm going to update the events as I do throughout the month. You can watch a welcome video, and this property is actually for sale. The price is now $332, so that's a better deal. So if you want to take the virtual tour of that, you can click here. And let's get back to the fun stuff. So here are different restaurants you can check out, and I made a special addition to this. So this is where you can go and have kind of a romantic Valentine's Day dinner. Now, some of these places will want reservations as there's limited seating, and it is Valentine's Day, and most people are wanting to take their sweetheart out or take themselves out. So call ahead and make sure you got your arrangements sorted out before you take that drive out to Destin or wherever you plan on going. There's more real estate stuff. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out. But fun things to do on Valentine's Day, here are a couple out of the box ideas. So you can check that out. And if you're visiting here or if you're a local, please check out my Best of the Emerald Coast videos. Like right here, we have all kinds of different restaurants, zoos, water parks, local springs, like the best of. I've been here for decades, and I decided to compile all of my favorite places in one spot so you guys can watch some videos and decide where you want to go and have your fun and your events. So please check out these videos on YouTube and subscribe. That would be amazing. But here are more events that are going on over the course of this month. But let's get into the most recently posted ones. So here we go. We're in Facebook events, if you'd like to know that. Brunch Fest is going to be over at Harbor Walk. That's today at 12 p.m. And today is Saturday. Saturday at 1 p.m. we have a comedy show at the American Legion in Destin. Every girl wants to go to a ball. So here we have the Valentine's Day Sweetheart Ball today, Saturday at 6 p.m. over at the American Legion. The post is 235. And so tomorrow, Sunday at 8:30 a.m., we have the I Love Destin 5K. So go out there, check. You can run it, you can walk it, you can spectate. So sometimes it's fun to pull up your lawn chair and just people watch. Also tomorrow, Sunday at 9 a.m., Eden Garden State Park. Such a beautiful place. Learn about the history, learn about the beauty of this place. Go take a Valentine's Day stroll through there. But they're having their Camellia Festival Sunday at 9 a.m. And this place I'm really growing to love. This is Laura's Pet and Horse Supply over here in Niceville, Florida. They're having a dog adoption event, so go check that out. There's so much more than like a pet and hay store. They have so many different things, all kinds of awesome, cool things, harnesses, everything you could just about everything you can imagine. So check that out over at Laura's Pet Adoption, the pet adoption event over at Laura's Pet and Horse Supply on Sunday at 11 a.m. If you're like me and didn't get invited to a Super Bowl party because most of your friends may not like football, check out this Super Bowl party. It's going to be over at the Island Resort in Fort Walton Beach. It's going to be a fun time, no doubt. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. So Sunday, 5 p.m., Super Bowl party. And that's most of the events I have. A link to my Rankin's Fun list is going to be in the description or comments, so check that out. And please feel free to follow my YouTube channel or subscribe. We'd love to have you. And anything you do this weekend, even if it's rainy, go sit by a window, get out from behind these four walls, go do something fun, try to make the most of it, and don't forget to do something special for your sweetheart on Valentine's Day. And if your sweetheart is yourself, go get a pedicure, go get a massage, do anything you can to make that day special for you, because just because you don't have a significant other doesn't mean you're not significant. So go do something for yourself and have some fun. I'm out. I am Sonja Rankin, aka Realtor Rankin, aka Admin Sonja, and I'm wishing you a wonderful Valentine's Day and a happy weekend.